Hello everyone. This here is a Four Seasons ceiling fan. I made a video of it a long time ago on my channel, but I only showed it on one speed for like 5 seconds. So now we're going to go through all the speeds. It's on this 5-speed wall choke. There's the internals. Let's see. There we go. So it used to say Four Seasons right there. The sticker fell off years ago. Here's speed 5. Moves a good amount of air. Used to have a little brass nut down here years ago. I don't know what happened to it. Okay. We'll go to speed 4. A little bit faster now. Speed 3. Speed 2. It's going pretty fast right now. And last but not least, speed 1, high speed. This thing flies. Now we're going to turn it off. Watch it spin down. So, there it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more future ones. And this was the video on this Four Seasons ceiling fan. I hope you enjoyed. Okay, goodbye.